Hey guys, this is a Korean boss. Today I want to share how I made $12,000 this month of June for 1 month with just only one Airbnb property in Brownsville, Brooklyn. Want to learn how I live for free in New York City? Let's deep dive. Stick around for my house hack tutorial in New York City. Before I dive into the how-tos, I want to share my personal story why I decided to do house hacking. With a Korean gay hustler in New York City without any safety net, I always had to find a plan B on top of my full-time job. Acquiring a home while I'm working a full-time, that was the only way to sustain myself. I know it is very tough, but definitely also worth it, especially during this kind of hard time, like layoff period. Now, talk about strategy. Why did I choose single-family home over the condo? And how did I make it work? I picked the single-family home over condo to maximize the leverage. In New York City, usually condos are requiring 20% down for down payment, whereas with a house, you can put as little as 3%. Also, I choose Brownsville because it's near L train stations where all the gay spots are. I personally believe that gentrification follows with the gays and artists, and city bike maps are my secret to find the next gentrification spots. When I checked the city bike map, Brownsville was only empty pocket below the Bed-Stuy and then East Flatbush. It was very clear for me that Brownsville would be next city bike stations. Now let's get into my nitty-gritty of running successful Airbnb business. From guest interaction to budget-friendly house decor, here's what worked for me. Listing as a LGBTQ-friendly was game changer for me. It attracted tons of female travelers, and also it attracted lots of LGBTQ allies. And plants are my go-to budget-friendly props. They add so much personalities and the charms. All of my guests love them. Alright, here's my step-by-step house hacking guideline. Number 1, know your budget. Get the pre-approval letter from the bank. Number 2, get the criteria for gentrification. Make sure to avoid saturated areas to get the cash flow positive. Number 3, close the deal. Maximize your leverage and get a turnkey property. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it should be turnkey so that you don't need to pay for foundational renovation, which costs a lot. Number 4, furnish on a budget. Focus on budget-friendly furniture, especially plants. Number 5, list with a unique niche. Target specific audience like LGBTQ-friendly travelers, like how I did. Number 6, initial pricing strategy. Offer a lower price initially to get the bookings and then reviews. Number 7, long-term pricing. After getting 5 reviews, you can adjust the pricing higher for your cash flow and adjust the house rules accordingly. Number 8, upgrade gradually. Save up and slowly upgrade your property, like upgrading your appliances or changing your landscaping. Make sure to take the new photos for upgraded parts. If I can do it, so can you! Here's why house hacking changed my life and become a stepping stone for the financial independence journey. This journey has transformed my life and it really helped me so much during my layoff period. It can do the same to you, especially my fellow immigrants, hustlers, and other underdogs. This is for you. We don't have any other safety nets, then let us be our own safety net. This will give you another cash flow on top of what you currently have. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered, how you can get started. Number 1, know your budget. Number 2, set the criteria for gentrification. Number 3, close the deal. Number 4, furnish on a budget. Number 5, list with a unique niche. Number 6, initial pricing strategy. Number 7, long-term pricing. Number 8, upgrading your property gradually. Thanks for sticking around. Today, we've covered how I made $13,000 in just a month of June, just only one Airbnb property in Brownsville, Brooklyn, and strategy behind of it, and a step-by-step guide for you to do the same. You might say you don't have enough time to do everything what we discovered today. That's why you need to build a system, hire a team on a budget, and utilize technology to automate the process. Check out our next video to check out further. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and hit the subscribe button below. You got questions? Leave the comments on the below. I would love to answer all of you. Why? Because I want all of you get one step closer for your financial independence. Thank you guys. Have a great one. I will see you on the other side. Bye.